So you want to know the secret to making Instant Pot salmon. Maybe you've tried it before and it hasn't turned out, or you've never tried it and you just want to know, how can I make this so it turns out perfectly? Then keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, I'm Tara, a nurse practitioner that loves sharing easy to make recipes and tips and tricks for making healthy, restaurant quality food at home. Today, we are making salmon inside of our Instant Pot. This recipe is so easy, so delicious. Be sure you stay all the way through the end of the video. I know you guys love those recipe cards, so there's a recipe card at the end you could take a screenshot of for easy reference. If you're excited for Instant Pot salmon, give this video a big thumbs up, grab your Instant Pot, and let's make this really easy recipe. We're gonna start by grabbing some zucchini. Today, I'm only going to cook the salmon inside of my Instant Pot. Typically, I like to use the pot and pot method, making some type of starch like rice or pasta or potatoes at the same time for a complete meal. But today, I had a lot of zucchini to use up, and I thought, why not utilize this and make a low-carb salmon recipe? You're welcome. So I'm just cutting the ends off, and then I'm gonna place it on my spiralizer. Alternatively, you could use a julienne peeler or just one of those handheld spiralizers. Those work really well also. And then you're gonna just place it on a paper towel and set aside. Then I'm grabbing some asparagus and cutting it into bite-sized pieces, setting that aside. Next, we're gonna grab some garlic. I'm using roughly 3 cloves. We're gonna just smash it down, and then I'm gonna just use my garlic press and get it ready so everything is ready to go once we grab our Instant Pot. Place that in a bowl and set it aside. Then we're gonna grab some aluminum foil and our salmon. I'm gonna use aluminum foil because it's easy, it's disposable, there's nothing to wash. Alternatively, you could use a heat-proof container like the stainless steel container I used in another salmon recipe. Use whatever you like. Next, we're gonna grab some mustard. I'm using Dijon Mustard. You could also use stone ground mustard. I feel like that works really well, and just brush the tops of the salmon with it. Then we're gonna add on a little bit of maple syrup. This combination is so delicious in my opinion. Next, we're gonna add on some mustard seed. I highly recommend not skipping this step. It is so incredibly delicious. Add a little bit of salt and pepper. Then you're gonna close the foil packets. Make sure you close them tightly. And then we're gonna set them aside, grab our Instant Pot, place in a trivet, add the water, and then place in those foil packets. Grab your lid, make sure the silicone ring is on, close it, make sure it's set to sealing, and cook it on high pressure for 4 minutes. We're gonna allow 3 minutes of natural pressure, then we're gonna perform a quick release, open the lid, and then we're gonna remove the foil packets, the trivet, and dump out that water. I'm drinking this delicious dry red. Add in some olive oil. I've set the Instant Pot to saute on high. We're gonna add in that garlic. Give it about 20 to 30 second head start. Then we're gonna add in that chopped up asparagus. Let that cook for about 2 minutes or so until it's your desired doneness. I'm adding just a splash of water also, and some salt and pepper. Then we're gonna add in those zoodles. I love using zoodles in a recipe like this because it adds so much nutrition. It really helps to keep you full, and it's low carb. Add in some salt and pepper. Get the zoodles to your desired doneness. I like to keep it mostly raw, and I'm also adding in a handful of cherry tomatoes. This is optional, but it is of course super delicious. Let's open up this packet. Look at this perfectly cooked salmon. This meal prepped really well. It reheated in the microwave perfectly. I cannot wait to hear what you guys think about this recipe. Looking for more salmon recipes? Click the playlist on the screen and I will see you over there. Bye guys.